what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Got my friend Chris here from
Dozer's Garage
Dozer's
YouTube channel.
Yeah, go over and check it out. D-O-Z-E-R-S.
Yeah.
So make sure you spell that
Only
right.
got a couple videos, nothing really put up.
Yeah, but some fun stuff, especially that new transmission you bought.
Well, it was a very good upgrade. You'll have
Yeah.
to check that out. I had a Jeep Patriot, had some manual transmission noises going on with it. You'll have to find out what the new transmission was that I threw in that thing.
Yeah, that was a good idea. It was brilliant, and actually, yeah, it was the way to go. In fact, if you should probably do the same thing. So anyway, well, today we are working on this wonderful new, not new, but it's an 07 Chevy Cobalt, which purchased recently, and
So new to you.
new to me. Yeah, exactly. So I need some new brakes. Something's going on. They're running hot. So we're gonna see if we can figure it out. They needed to be replaced anyway, rotors and pads. So we'll see if we can find any interesting. I don't know.
Possible dragging issue on the front brakes, so we might dig into that a little bit more. Also doing a small upgrade on the wheels while we have them off. They're a little bit rusty. The hubcaps aren't, well, they're just not cutting it anymore. And we don't need rusty wheels on the car, so we'll give her a little paint job here while we're on it.
Yep. All right. Let's do it. Rattle can special right here.
Yeah, aerosol overhaul. Nothing but the best. Always start with just a little light. Oh, by the way, these are not properly cleaned. Do a little bit of a light coat here, get some adhesion going. Taped off professionally.
Oh yeah, you can't even tell. I mean, where's the tape, right? Jeez, man, that's a great
Black
job.
on black. Here we go.
Ooh, I like that spiral move. That was brilliant.
Yep.
Good
So
wrist
just
action.
a little light coat. Start getting it on, and
So
then
there's an after, and there's a before.
and we'll come back and hit it with another coat and make sure we got a good solid covering of it.
Chris, I feel like you have experience with the rattle can.
I have a bit of experience here. I do have some experience with a professional paint gun as well. Several different brands and designs of paint gun. Was trained actually in paint and body work and all sorts of restoration work. Do not actually use that currently. This is the way to go.
There you go, folks. The pro uses a rattle can. I'm just kidding.
Be careful with those words, man. Professional. Yeah.
Yep. There's that wrist action again. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Good deal. All right. Well, we'll let those dry and then we'll get another coat going.
Yep.
Good deal. All right. So we got the brakes off and the rotors and pads, and so we got some things that we're seeing a little bit of. So Chris is going to tell us a little bit what's up. So I'm gonna flip the camera and we'll show you what's going on.
All right, so what we're thinking happening here is when we push the brake pedal, it starts shaking the whole car, starts shaking the wheel. So I know that there's something wrong with our rotors here. Well, we took the pads off. The pads look fairly decent, you know. Thank the sun for some great lighting out here today. Compared it to a new pad, it's over half as thick still. So, I mean, they were still good. So we're thinking those were relatively new. But what we're seeing on these rotors here is on the back side of this one, you'll see a lot of old rust, and it wasn't contacting the full pad. So we know that there was already a previous issue with these. And so what I'm thinking it is it's called parallel deviation. So as you're going, here's the two faces of your rotor. And as you go around the circle, it kind of does this. It gets thicker and thinner as you go around. Or possibly it could be warped. You know, like a record on a record player, it kind of going around like that. So that's where we're getting our vibration from. Come around here real quick. I've already done a preliminary inspection on our calipers. The piston looks to be in good condition. The seal around the piston is not leaking, and our rubber brake hose here is not deteriorated or damaged, any other condition like that. But we did notice in the master cylinder the fluid is pretty dark. So what we're going to attempt here is we're going to just go ahead and put rotors and pads back on it. And then we're just going to bleed the front of the brakes for now, and see if that kind of solves our issue. Jim's got the brakes replaced here with new rotors, new pads. Everything's tightened back up, and we got our adjustable 10mm wrench here. And we're going to go ahead and start bleeding the front calipers. We're not really concerned with the rear brakes right now. They seem to be functioning just fine. We did have a little bit of a hang-up issue, a little bit of heat getting into these, so we were kind of thinking maybe there's some junk in the lines here. So we're going to get it going here. Got our capture container so we don't let it spill everywhere. And we'll flush it till it's clean, and we'll see how that goes.
We got the Boom, there she goes. We got the brakes bled with some new fluid, and we got the rotors and brakes on, and we're gonna see how she does. So we're taking for a test drive.
There it is.
Test driving it up. Yep, that's always like the best day, right? Yeah.
Test drive is the best drive.
Unless it doesn't work.
There you go.
We'll see. All right, we just got back from our test drive and had a little smoke on the passenger side wheel, which was.
Yeah, we didn't have the rotors quite cleaned off enough. A little bit of oil left on there, just kind of smoldering off, but no big deal.
Yeah, so we took it for a second test drive and good to go. What else you want to show us, Chris?
Well, just check out these sweet wheels now.
Heck yeah, custom paint job, right? Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, everybody goes for the gloss, but we decided to go with the flat black, mainly because that was the only can of paint on the shelf.
That's exactly right.
So, better than a rattly hubcap, I'll tell you that much.
Actually, let's show the hubcap, which is just right over here. And so we're upgrading from the silver to the black.
They really didn't look too bad. A couple of them were curb rashed, but all these clips were rattling, so it was just kind of shaking the whole time driving down the road.
Super annoying.
Noise. Yeah, nobody wanted that.
Right.
So it's a driveway professional job done by some driveway professionals.
You got it. Shade Tree Mechanics or YouTube certified mechanics or whatever you want to say.
Whatever certification you think that you have, that's what you got.
You got it. All right. Good to have you on the show, man. Thanks for hanging out with us today.
No worries.
And remember, go check out Dozer's Garage, Dozer with a Z, and check Chris out over there. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has saved you some time and money. And remember, you got this.